The size of these spaces, the dimensions of these rooms wasn't really at the forefront of their mind. What really mattered was that feeling of sanctuary. My name is Lauren Garth and I am a senior designer at 868 Architects. We were the architect and interior designer on Project Soul. The location of Project Soul is located on a corner block surrounded by some beautiful canopy trees that line the streets here, and it really gives it that character to the suburb. When I was first introduced to this community, I was met with warmth and that strong sense of family. Someone coming first to this home, they're going to be met with one of our first stone travertine pillars. As you walk through the front gate, it leads you to the front door, the large, grand bronze pivot door. The idea of such a large door was to feel how heavy that is and to create that instant stop in your movement and to be quite slow. Once you move through the home, you're hit with a beautiful round skylight just above you. Sometimes, like today, you can see the clouds through that. As you start to move down those stairs, it kind of gives you this playful feeling that we decided to bring the pool within the home through this beautiful glass curve. It gives you that feeling of nature, the way that the water moves, and the choice of using that barley stone tile, taking back in that holiday feeling. As you arrive at the kitchen, dining and living platform, you really feel the expanse of the height of the home. Here we've got about 4 metre high ceilings, and the intention of that was to really meet at this point. The building starts to open up, but then you're getting both sides of that sanctuary. It's a mixture and a blend of that private and public space, where that inner courtyard is seeking more of that private space, where the Oasis is more of that public entertaining platform. There's 2 main radiuses in these curves. The larger ones you see are more in the public spaces, and these smaller radiuses are within the private zones. What these curves achieve is that sense of slowing down. You're not meeting a sharp edge, and it slowly guides you around to the next space. When designing a family home, you're not just designing spaces for anyone. You get to meet your clients, you get to meet their family, you get to meet their children, and you understand the spaces that they are going to grow up in. Durable materials is so important to consider because it needs to stand the test of time with that family and the use of that home. Knotwood aluminium is unique because of the range of finishes that it offers. Whether it is on a gate, a soffit, a cladding system on a garage, you know that the product that you're seeing on the day of installation is really going to stand the test of time. When we're looking at design and functionality within Project Soul, there was a few items that came up. Definitely privacy was one, being on a corner block. The high-level glass that wraps around to achieve that sense of privacy, but also getting enough natural light within the home. The shape and form derived from the natural topography, the way that the resident steps down throughout the site, the use of those travertine pillars that you see. Those pillars really come down and ground the home. The use of brick, steel and cladding systems was very important. We wanted to look and see how starting your morning here can really bring in that sunlight, how we could get as much sun as possible onto that central pool as well as the Oasis space. We wanted to create those aesthetics of that calm sanctuary feeling, but we needed to ensure that these products could last, being a forever family home. The steelwork catches your eye when you're first on the corner block and you see that wrap around the home. But then what's interesting is how that then bleeds into the interior spaces. The choice of using a bronze powder coated finish as well was incorporated into the internal fixtures. So every fixture that you see within the home is a bronze plated fixture that also has a textural material to it. The use of custom steel came about from wanting to create a very thin roofline. We wanted the feeling of the roof to be floating and to really appreciate the high level glazing that wraps around the home. Working on Project Soul with Hammercorp was quite interesting and surprising. If there were any challenges or obstacles, they were met with solutions on the spot. We became quite honest and trustworthy to one another. It is a really enriching experience seeing the family make this home their own. When we first met and the family was telling us about what holidays mean to them, seeing them now move into their home and been here for quite some time, I approached them and they told me I got to feel like I'm on a holiday every day and we still haven't booked one yet.